Good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here at Stock Market Mentor, and I want to take a quick look at EBIX, and this is why. You can see this pattern here. The stock, just a couple things. First of all, the stock has, the company's announcing earnings on March 12th, so that's not an issue. You're going to be in and out of this long before then. But aside from a really super bullish pattern, where the stock's in a clear uptrend, it's up above the 200-day moving average, zigzagging around here. It's also in a flag pattern. Now it's going on, flag pattern's going on a little bit longer than I would prefer. However, you got to take the chart that's in front of you, not the chart you want to see. So what I'm expecting here is any kind of move to the upside is going to fire off a lot more buying, and here's why. 37% of the float is short. That's a pretty big short interest. 242,000 shares traded today. That's not much trading. So I'm looking for this stock to move higher. Here's the risk. You just draw a line right across here. On this particular trade, what I'm expecting is a continuation of the uptrade. So the risk would be a fall into this box. Sits a small amount of risk. You buy here. If the stock falls into this box, you're out. Now, you can always repurchase, but that would be different than the trade that I'm talking about. I'm talking about a trade off of this support level because of, first of all, the nice price pattern, low volume during this consolidation, high short interest. Those are the ingredients for a continuation of the uptrend. So again, if the trade's a bust and the stock moves down just a little bit, like about 70 cents or so, if the stock moves down that far, you go ahead and close out the trade and then reassess at a lower level. Or if the stock just falls back a little bit and then runs up. Bottom line is this: you got to know why you're entering a trade before you enter a trade, and part of knowing why you are entering a trade is knowing when you will be wrong about that trade. So that's the trade on EBIX. Also, members, I've got a strategy session for you. We're going over three different sectors that are really starting to move that I'm pretty bullish on in 2012. You probably know what those all are, but I'm not going to tell you here because I need you to look at that video. And then also we've got the Stock Market Mentor member only Q&A session tonight at 5 o'clock, which is why you're getting this stuff out so early.